The checklist function gives you the ability to create a list under each task. By clicking the plus button here on the web or here on the iPad, you can add items to your checklist while in the editing mode. Some very useful examples include a checklist for your anesthetic machine. This can include CO2 absorbent, O2, vaporizer, pressure, and ET tube check. You can also have a pre-cut checklist. This might include patient name, procedure, location of surgery, etc. You may also want a post-surgery checklist. This might include discarded drug count, sponge count, needle count, sharps count, etc. Once you've created your tasks, be sure to save them as part of your template.